got the tires and whatnot swapped out here. Got to push it back here trying to film. Record, I guess you could say. But got the tires changed out. I'll show you guys here in a minute. I think these tires look better on here than they did on the Hydro, but that's just me. Anyways, so here's the skinny mini front tires on there. Try to get a quick video of the Hydro. It's raining right now, but I think it looks a lot better with the fatters. Fatties, I guess you could say. But that's me. Eventually she might have a set of those on her. First. Surprisingly, most of them already had fatty tires on it, so this is, of course I put them on the Hydro, because the Hydro had the fat ribbed ones. I hated them, so yeah, this is basically what it's been doing for the past 3 days. It's raining. I've been out here sorting stuff out. This is only like, it's probably about 3/4 of my stash of parts. So I'm going through and see what's good, what's bad, and whatnot, and etc. So figure out what parts I don't need, what parts I do need, and yeah. So, like that. Basically, the custom stuff I really don't need, like the custom adapters here, really don't need. The side panels, I got 2 right panels and 1 left panel. This is the left panel. A bunch of taillight covers. I think there's 5 of them. Yep, 5 of them there. For all I know, I might have a 6, but I don't know. I can't remember. But I know I got some parts in that bin there, and some parts out back. Parts, I think, up in here, and then parts up in the other shed. So, ended up selling this carburetor on the eBay there, and the guy had said that something about the main nozzle was tore out of it and wasn't repairable. The only thing I could think of was, come on, focus. Come on, focus. Focus. The fuel nozzle here. But looking into it, the threads are perfectly fine. Everything else is there, and then, so I don't know what the heck that guy was talking about. I asked him to, be more specific on what he was talking about. He wasn't. He just ended up sending the damn thing back to me. So, yeah. So, oh well. Yeah, so I lost out on $40 there, but what can you do, But it was actually like, I think it was like 47, but you can't really count the shipping, so. But yeah, it sucked. Because it basically refunded him, well, I had to refund him his money. And I got a balance or a negative balance I should say, of 47 and change. So, yeah. Sucks. It sucks. So, I gotta sell some stuff to make up for that loss. Trying to find people that need a good block to come to the block. You know, the rebuild or use parts out of it or something, but nobody around here needs one, so pretty much that's all on them unless I end up scrapping them or some miracle I feel like tearing one apart and rebuilding it, but I don't think that'll ever happen anytime soon, so. But I know my bolts bends are getting more. Now, like that one there, I got some there, one there, and some in there. That box there where the margarita sauce is, that bin's full there. I got more over there in the Sears cabinet. I mean, I got bolts and nuts and shit down in them boxes down there in the bottom floor where that motor is. So, mainly all Sears Suburban bolts and nuts and stuff. So, but I guess, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I did put some tools away, organize them, hung them back up there, found some wrenches that I forgot about that weren't supposed to be in here, hung them up, so, but yeah, so the guy is supposed to be coming tomorrow, depending on weather. If weather's good, I might make a video while he's here. Whether or not so much, I'll end up making a video when I get it in here and make a video of it. But, so, kind of sucks because I've got that I'm low on gas on it, so like really low, so I can run the choke on in order for it to run. So hopefully I don't have an issue with them with that. But I guess, guys, I'm gonna call it a day.